Oh shit!
We're gonna see the replay of this ass whooping real quick, cause it ain't been that damn long.
Yeah, cause the headbutt cut him.
He got a point and then got knocked out. That pissed him off. Protect yourself at all times. See that, people? You see that, Mexicans? You ain't got shit for a nigga. Yeah. Shake his hand, be his friend, sit down and look in the eye light. Yeah, I'll beat your ass, but you know you don't ever do that shit again, okay? Don't fuck with the old man. Here we go, folks. This is how it ended.
Watch the replay. Now first here's the headbutt called by Joe Cortez. And watch Ortiz leap over the top of Mayweather's gloves, seemingly trying to
Whoop.
his head.
Whoop. You can't hit him.
Ooh.
That was the... He saw him. You saw it, too. That shit was wrong, dude.
Watch Cortez look away. Watch Ortiz talking to Mayweather.
Okay.
Watch that.
Protect yourself at all times.
Yeah.
He's boom.
That's for the headbutt.
But the ref had said go. That's why he did that. Oh, they're gonna have to fight again. This is not good enough for me. Fuck you, man. You wanted to see Mayweather lose. I don't give a shit. He going to party tonight. And he ain't got a mark on his face. Or the lip. His lips is fucked up. That's where he headbutted him? Why are you smiling? I feel robbed. I'm glad I watched the other fights, because I'd have been pissed. You keep shocking the world, boy. And still the nigga of life. I hate you niggas. Going on YouTube right after this. And he got, that's his belt. That belt he came in with is no longer his. I'm gonna put this in my collection. He got 5 belts now, girl. Look at that. That's devastating. That's devastating.
Sometimes it seemed like he couldn't miss. Victor Ortiz, 26 out of 148. Sometimes he got Mayweather against the ropes and made some points. But at the end of the day, it's a knockout victory for Floyd Mayweather.
I think they stopped it too quick. I'd have lived.
Oh, he counted him out.
Oh, he counted him out?
Yeah, he couldn't get up.
I didn't know that.
He was on his knees. He couldn't get up.
The camera knows, though.
Power punches, Mayweather dominated there. You saw how easily he landed
Miss Best.
and his left hooks. And if ever Larry Merchant's post-fight interviews have been significant, tonight's the night.
It's nice tonight.
With Floyd Mayweather.
Thank you, Jim.
Drunk ass Larry Merchant.
Floyd.
There he is. He fucked up.
You hear the crowd, at least a good part of it is in an uproar because they felt that you took shots at him unfairly after you were...
Man, ain't nobody trying to hear that shit.
Made up for the headbutt, and then you poked him.
You poked him.
First off, I want to thank God for this victory.
Thank you.
Because without God, all this wouldn't be possible. I want to thank my team. I got hit with a dirty shot, and it's protect yourself at all times. I hit with a left hook right hand, and
saying that even though
Do what you do.
it appeared that he wasn't protecting himself and thought that that was part of the ceremony that you were going through.
That's Muhammad Ali to me.
That
That's my new Muhammad Ali.
took advantage of it. What do you say to those who say, what'd you do there? You went in the fight discharged.
I just want to say everybody that bought pay-per-view, that came out to Las Vegas, thank you. And anyway, that was a hell of a fight.
But now we're talking to as
Larry's an asshole.
Let's take a look at what happened at the end of the fight.
Oh, let's look
and
at
you
it.
just
Let's look at it.
Yeah, he's already like pissed off right there.
Right there, he's pissed off.
We just gloves. We back to fight.
He was
And
on
that's
back
all she
shit.
wrote.
And that's all she wrote.
For you, it was just an automatic response. Let's get on with the fight.
It's protect yourself at all times.
Yep.
He done something dirty. We're not here crying about what he did dirty or what I did dirty. I was victorious. If he want a rematch, he can get a rematch.
Ooh.
Yeah. 'Cause he can't
You
beat him.
were in
Yeah, I know.
the fight. You were aggressive and trying and taking advantage of what
You know
you saw
what
the
I do? Because you don't never give me a fake shake. You know that?
Yeah, Larry
So you
doesn't
wanna
like
start the
Mayweather.
victory, right? I'm through. They put somebody else up and give me an interview. What are you talking about?
He does not like him, man.
You never give me a fair shake. HBO needs to fire you. You don't know shit about You ain't shit.
I'd kick your ass.
Larry does not like Mayweather.
All right.
Alright.
Victor
You
Ortiz.
don't know shit.
You hear the crowd. You describe what happened at the end of the fight. Was it your fault for not protecting
Yeah,
yourself
Yes.
at all times?
No. Absolutely not. I was called a break by the referee. So I did as I obeyed, and I obeyed exactly as I was told, and I looked at the ref, and I went like that, and I looked up, and then boom, I was out. So, it happens.
All right. First, let's show earlier in the round when you had him on the ropes
Okay.
and you butted him. Was that just some reflex?
That was
action?
anger.
I was going back. And then he pushed me a little bit, so I went back and just cocked back. It looked like I really did it intentionally, but it happens.
You did that shit intentionally.
We know he did it intentionally.
I'm not a dirty fighter.
Because he hesitated.
You were just
He got frustrated.
on him and your head.
Yeah, he came forward really fast. I wasn't expecting that. And my
Yeah,
head
when
was
you
in
never
his
expect
face,
shit.
So I was like, oh, whoops.
Whoops.
So, as far as I'm concerned, I'm
That's fucking
Yeah,
intentional,
he
dog.
jumped into him.
You seem apologetic, but then you got together with them, and what did you each say with each other?
I told him, I'm sorry, Floyd, I didn't mean to do that, bro. My bad, man, and my bad, let's do this.
Yeah.
Kissed him on the cheek and shit. Kiss him.
Yeah, it's just, that was a couple times. It's okay, though.
Look at Cortez. Cortez is like, whoa.
He done already said break though.
Unfair, or because you had a plan?
This is gonna start another match.
Or is it your bad?
You can look at it two ways. At the end of the day, you know what? I came out here to show the fans, a good time, and
I fucked up.
I think they did have a good time, except for, the little miscommunication there by the ref. But hey, it happens, I'm not perfect. No one is. And neither is the ref. So
No, you got your ass kicked.
It's a learning experience.
You won one round.
Thank you.
The first one.
Jim?
All right, your first comment was you didn't even want to comment about it. But of course,
Look at him.
okay? Mixed emotions. I saw emotions.
Bad intentions.
He was very frustrated because he really couldn't get to Floyd. But Floyd was leaning back
He
over
was
the ropes,
frustrated.
using his elbow roll. And so in his anger and anxiety, he just actually butted him. Then
Yep.
Floyd promised to play no getting even. So Floyd caught him with a punch. But it was a sucker punch, but it was
Hey.
Straight sucker punch.
Look at him. Been taking that all the time.
So very technically, under the protect yourself at all times dictum, this was legal.
Yes.
But you heard the crowd. Who's the winner and who's the loser?